Alright guys, welcome back. I'm redoing this video because somehow I accidentally deleted it. So I'm going to go over real quick. The car's back home finally. It's going to be kind of like a double post video here. Yeah, for the whole thing I was driving and the thing just, the top of this one just popped off. It's down in there, the top hose. Yeah, the clips, I went ahead and, Mercedes-Benz of Pittsburgh had two in stock for this car. So they had two of the clips in stock. They were $6 each. And I got a gallon of blue coolant as well. When I got there, those clips looked pretty tiny. They looked a lot smaller than the original ones, but they assured me, and they VIN matched them as well, and they said these ones will work. So I went ahead and got them back home. And these are not it because I put them in because I lost the footage of the other one. But this one, it was still a little bit bigger. So on this side, this clip right here would be about this small when they're new. They're pretty, like the flex, there's really none. They're pretty stiff. This is the one that was on the driver's side, the one that popped off. This one was crazy big. This one was stretched out so far, and this one would have to be about right there, squeezing this thing, just to be what the original one was. So that's why this one popped off. It lost its strength. So I just got both of them since this one was a little bit better, but still it was a little bit wide though. But nonetheless, just replaced them both. Cheap enough to do. Let's see, where's this part? This is the part number right here. 007-993-2801. I believe that is the part number. Yeah, right there it is. Yeah, I didn't actually see that the first time, but yes, there's the part number for it, guys. If you're interested in this, for the W211 E55 AMG, both the upper and lower clips are the same. That way bottom little one, I don't know, that one's tiny, so I didn't even bother with that one. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this back up. Oh yeah, I need to put a little bit more fluid in there, which we got some more of this good stuff, which I'm gonna go ahead and take off while I'm recording this. And pour a little bit more down in here. Let's see if we cannot make a huge mess. Probably gonna make a mess. Here we go. There we go. And just slightly right above the line. Gonna go ahead and put this back on. So as much as I lost, guys, I mixed. I had two jugs, two full 2 gallons here. I used one whole one, and then I used half of this one. So I lost 1.5 gallons of coolant. The car did get a little bit on the hotter side on the coolant gauge, but I was able to coast it a good portion of the way home. Just put it in neutral, and I was coasting around like 50 miles an hour, and that was able to drop it below a little bit. But it got a little warm, but it was fine. Nothing happened to it. So as soon as I brought it in here, I just shut it off immediately, and it was a nice cool day. It was like 30 in the mid 30s today. It was a little bit chillier, so it was enough to keep it cool enough to not burn out and blow up. So thank goodness for that. But yeah, guys, that was it for right now. I bled the system again, just letting this thing sit. Let everything, cleaned it all off. Cleaned out so much coolant everywhere. I still got to go over it a little bit more. This was all super dirty, but I cleaned it, most of it off, wiped everything down. Those are in there nice and tight now with new clips on both sides. They're good to go. Yeah, so everything should be okay now. We will see. We're gonna take it easy the first couple miles here, but I'm gonna take it to work tomorrow, and hopefully it works as it is. And then I have another gallon of distilled water in the trunk, and then I'll top this off in the morning just to be sure everything is good. Still some air bubbles in there probably, but I'll bring that with me just in case, and then top it off. So far so good. Hope you guys liked that last video. A little more exciting things happening. But yes, that thing popping off really sucked, but nonetheless, it happens. Reseated it. It's all good now. Put new clips on, and we're set. So no more no more worrying for the time being. I gotta find a new place to put this. Technically, I don't even need that on here anymore. But yeah, guys, that is it for right now. Once again, thank you for subscribing. Thanks for the likes, the comments. Appreciate it. We'll get some more videos out here momentarily. Thank you again, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.